Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods. One more Jhula design. People do call it unjal, swing, hammock. They know it by different name. We call it a Jhula. And this is in teak wood, walnut finish, and this one is going to UK. When we talk about indoor swings, there are a couple of things that are to be discussed. Either you get something like a bar on the top, or you get a roof type design, something like this that you're looking here. When we talk about an indoor jhula, there are a few things that we have to discuss and that we have to know before we order an indoor jhula. The first thing is the space we have, left to right, front to back, and the height also. If you talk about the height, this one is 7.5 feet high totally, complete height from the ground, and 7.5 feet out and out. Front to back, this covers 3 feet of area, and altogether we need this kind of space to put the swing when you are using it indoor. Some people do ask this question, how much space do you require at the back of the swing if you are keeping close to the wall? Now here if you see, if I stretch it quite back, the maximum space I'm looking at the back is around 1 feet, and similarly on the front, because these are not free swinging things that are hung on the trees, so they don't swing that much that you can go very far up, far in front and far and quite back. So you don't need a lot of space at the back. So 1 feet of space at the back is more than enough. This is in teak wood, walnut finish, and the work all around. This one has got a roof type design on the top, and inside also it has got fine carving to give it the look. This one has got two strong pillars on both sides and with the elephant face carved on both the pillars. And similarly, we have got a heavy elephant sitting underneath to hold the weight of the pillars. These type of designs take a lot of time to be carved out in the wood, and this is all hand work. We don't make these type of things with a CNC machine or a router or by computers. This is all hand work, hand drawn, and finally this kind of output you see here. The seat out and out is 5 feet, and it's a 2.5 seater. So two people can easily sit on this, and a kid also can sit along. If we talk about the weight capacity up to 300 kgs, there's no issue in the unit. It can hold more weight also, but we recommend around 300 kgs to be a good weight. The entire unit you see is made of teak wood, nice carving everywhere on the seat, on the top, on the pillars, and a nice color as selected by the client. The fabric is also as per the client's choice. If you're looking for some other fabric, we can provide that. Heavy brass chain that can hold a lot of weight, and we have other options in brass chain as well. If you want to see the details about the brass chain, you can check video number 531. You can type 531 Arson on YouTube. You'll get the link there, and I've explained everything about the chains, the designs, the patterns, the options we have. Everything explained there. When you have an indoor jhula like this, it adds a different look to the living room altogether, or wherever you place it. But mostly we make indoor units because such kind of units are not generally put outside or in outdoor areas, because generally outdoor the rattan furniture or the cane furniture or wrought iron furniture is preferred due to the weather conditions and the polishing work, the shine, the gloss that you see. Outdoor they tend to lose a bit, so we don't recommend these type of units to be outdoor. Sizes can be altered. If you're looking for a smaller seat, that can be done. If you're looking for some changes in color of the fabric, that can be done as per your requirement. This one is going to UK. You want it anywhere in India, we can deliver that. Outside India, we're delivering it to most of the locations. And it's been more than 535 videos, I guess, on YouTube. So if you want to see more of our stuff, you can go on YouTube and check that stuff. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll be happy to provide the answers. For pricing, you can visit our website. There's a section of swings. We have a lot of designs there. You check that, and you can contact us. Accordingly, we'll provide you the price. Any feedbacks, suggestions, we'll be more happy to hear from you. Hope you like this. Thank you so much.